it wore chrome. The Impala SS 427 looked like something your dad would drive to a country club. But with a quick downshift, it could gap a GTO at a red light. The SS badging was minimal, the attitude wasn't. Inside, you got comfort, plush buckets, a full-length console, and a vibe that said, executive muscle. It didn't need to show off. It just needed to show up, and it delivered every time. The Impala SS 427 was a refined beast, a torque-rich sleeper hiding in plain sight. And today, it's one of the most criminally underrated full-size muscle cars GM ever built. Still watching? Then you're definitely one of us, someone who lives for the heavy hitters and forgotten monsters. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and keep watching because the next 5 are even meaner. Number 10, 1971 Oldsmobile 442 W30. This was Oldsmobile's mic drop moment. By 1971, emissions regulations, insurance premiums, and rising gas prices were putting muscle cars in a chokehold. But Oldsmobile wasn't done yet. They had one final trick up their finely tailored sleeve. The 442 W30, stuffed with a 455 cubic inch big block V8, it made 350 net horsepower and a monstrous 500 pound-feet of torque, and that was the net number. The real figure? Significantly higher, especially with factory tuning and cold air induction. The W30 package wasn't just about raw numbers. It came with a fiberglass hood featuring functional scoops, an aluminum intake manifold, a hotter cam, and a tuned quadrajet carb. You could get it with a 4-speed Muncie manual and a 3.91 limited slip rear. The suspension was beefed up with stiffer springs, better shocks, and sway bars that actually worked. It wasn't trying to be a Camaro or a Mustang. It wasn't screaming for attention. It was mature muscle, subtle, confident, and capable of turning a quarter mile in the low 14s with the windows rolled up and the AC blowing cold.